Hello! We are in beautiful city of Ljubljana, capital of Slovenia, which is one of 8 countries participating in a FORTEe study. In Slovenia, FORTEe study was carried out here at Pediatric Clinic, University Medical Center Ljubljana.
In Slovenia, because it is a small country, there is only one center for the treatment of cancer in children. So this is the national center, and it is located at the University Children's Hospital in Ljubljana.
So when Lydia told me that there is a European project in which children with oncological diseases during the chemotherapy should exercise actively during the therapy, my first thought was, no way, it is not possible. We thought a lot about it, and with the push of Barbara Konda, and after reading some research on that topic, we decided to be a part of the FORTEe project.
My colleague, Professor Dr. Peter Wright, called me on the phone one day. He asked me if I would willing to participate in one huge Horizon project for pediatric oncology patients. And for that, I called my friend, Dr. Marko Pokorn, and I asked him what he's thinking about of collaborating as a clinic within this consortium and project. And his statement was, we have to participate, we have to be on the map, so yes, we will do that. And then he introduced me to Dr. Lydia Kitanowski, and those were the steps where we started talking and convincing each other either this is appropriate or not.
Everything was unknown. We never had this intervention before. We didn't have any people who will do it and a place where we can do it. And also the staff at the ward in the beginning of FORTEe study was really skeptical about it.
The first step or the first stage were like, I need to design really a good exercise intervention, a good exercise therapy for pediatric oncology patients based on intrinsic motivation and play. The children during the treatment aren't actually willing to participate in any kind of physical activity because they are tired, because of their fatigue.
At the start of this project, kinesiologists in Slovenia didn't have a status of medical staff, so they couldn't be employed by the hospital. And actually, by push of this study, it is now possible, and they are recognized in Slovenia like medical staff. They are working also in other hospital and medical institutions, but first kinesiologists employed by hospital were our 2 kinesiologists that are now employed on our ward. And with our parents association, Junaki tretjega nadstropja, we have plans to establish also a gym on our ward.
I was anxious to see how it would be, because nobody in our profession had the chance to be in a more clinical environment. I just went day by day, and I tried to adjust to the specific population, to the specific challenges, and I think it was quite okay.
At the beginning I was a bit nervous because I didn't know what to expect. I soon realized that working with children gives me new challenges, like how to motivate them and how to adapt different situations when they cannot work out as I thought they would.
FORTEe addressed an important gap or need in pediatric cancer care, which is the lack of physical activity during cancer treatment. And yeah, I thought that FORTEe could change that for the better.
I was a very active person before I got my diagnosis, and I wanted to find something where I can be active even during the chemotherapy. You know, I wanted to keep my muscle mass and not become too skinny. The exercise during chemotherapy meant a lot to me, and thanks to everyone that supported me physically and in this team as well.
I think it helps not only with the physical fitness but also with the mental health. We can also see this in our staff when we have we now have a 5-minute practice every Friday, and I think this really helps people to get loose, to get happier, and then to have the energy to go through the day, even if it's 5 minutes that you use to focus on something completely different from the hospital environment.
I think FORTEe allowed me to be a part of a great team which does important work. And yeah, I think I helped patients to better cope with cancer and its complications, and it showed me that exercise scientists could have a role in healthcare.
It was a great opportunity for me and also for kinesiologists in Slovenia, because our field is quite new here. I hope that our work and FORTEe project will be a good example for also other hospitals in Slovenia to include physical therapy and sport therapy in everyday patient care.
With the cooperation with other centers, especially with center in Monza, when we had our bilateral meetings with the team of Francesca, we gained our goal, and our goal became to establish the exercise activity as a permanent activity in our hospital. I think it is an example of really good international cooperation, and the other thing is that we were able, through this project, I believe, to establish this regular exercise activity on the ward. It was a push for us, because otherwise probably it would still not be possible to do it.
It was very interesting to see that there is actually time for extra curricular activities like physical therapy, to include it into our daily practice, and to see very good results that the patients and also the team responded to, and it affected everyone in a positive way.
I really want to send a message also to other smaller or medium-sized centers like ours, that it is possible, and that with the right direction and willingness, it is feasible to achieve that all children, as a standard of care, have also exercise interventions during their treatment.